Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The Rise of Car Leasing, updated for 2024. Have you noticed more people talking about car leasing lately? It's not just your imagination. Car leasing has been on the rise, and for good reason. More drivers are opting for leases instead of buying new cars. They want the benefits of low monthly payments and the joy of driving a new vehicle every few years without the long-term commitment. Recent data shows a clear trend. The number of leased vehicles has surged over the past decade. According to industry reports, almost 30% of new cars on the road are leased rather than bought. This shift indicates a growing preference for flexible, cost-effective driving solutions. In this video, we'll explore why car leasing is becoming so popular. We'll cover how it works, what you need to know before signing a lease, and whether it might be the right choice for you. Stay with us as we navigate this rising trend in the automotive market. Understanding car leasing. Car leasing has become a popular option for those who want to drive a new car without the long-term commitment of ownership. It's essential to understand how leasing works and how it compares to buying a car outright. What is car leasing? Car leasing is like renting a car for a longer period, usually 2 to 4 years. Instead of paying the full price of the car, you make monthly payments based on the car's expected depreciation over the lease term. Here's a breakdown of the key terms. Lease term. The length of time you lease the car, typically between 24 to 48 months. Monthly payments. The amount you pay each month, which includes the car's depreciation, interest, and fees. Residual value. The car's estimated value at the end of the lease term. This value affects your monthly payments. During the lease, you have to adhere to specific rules, like mileage limits and maintenance requirements. At the end of the lease, you can either return the car, buy it at the residual value, or lease a new one. Car leasing versus buying. So, should you lease or buy? Both options have their pros and cons, depending on your lifestyle and financial situation. Pros of leasing. Lower monthly payments. Lease payments are usually lower than loan payments for buying a car. Drive new cars more often. Leasing allows you to drive a new car every few years. Less maintenance worries. Leased cars are often under warranty, so major repairs are typically covered. Cons of leasing. No ownership. At the end of the lease, you don't own the car. Mileage limits. Leases come with mileage restrictions, and going over can be expensive. Customization limits. You can't make significant changes to a leased car. Pros of buying. Ownership. Once you've paid off the loan, the car is yours. No mileage limits. Drive as much as you want without worrying about penalties. Customization. You can modify the car to your liking. Cons of buying. Higher monthly payments. Loan payments are usually higher than lease payments. Depreciation. The car loses value quickly, especially in the first few years. Maintenance costs. As the car ages, you're responsible for all repairs and maintenance. Choosing between leasing and buying depends on your priorities. If you prefer lower monthly payments and driving new cars often, leasing might be the way to go. But if you want long-term ownership and the freedom to drive as much as you want, buying could be a better fit. Reasons for the increase in car leasing. Car leasing has seen a significant rise in recent years. Various factors are contributing to this trend, and understanding them can help explain why more people are choosing to lease over buying a car. Let's break down the main reasons for this shift. Economic factors. Economic conditions play a huge role in car leasing decisions. Interest rates and vehicle prices have a direct impact on whether people opt to lease or buy. When interest rates are low, leasing becomes more attractive because the monthly payments are lower. High vehicle prices also make leasing a smart choice since you don't have to invest a large amount upfront. Consider this. Buying a new car involves not only the full price of the vehicle but also taxes, registration, and other fees. Leasing, on the other hand, often has lower initial costs, making it easier on the wallet. Lower down payments. Leasing usually requires a smaller down payment compared to buying. Monthly payments. The monthly lease payments are often lower than loan payments for a new car. Residual value. At the end of a lease term, you lease a new car, avoiding the depreciation hit associated with owning a car. Changing consumer preferences. Millennials and Gen Z are changing the car market. These generations prefer flexibility and are more inclined towards experiences rather than possession. Leasing offers the freedom to drive a new car every few years without the long-term commitment of ownership. Lifestyle choices. Many young people today prioritize travel, dining out, and other experiences over owning assets. Urban living. In cities, parking and maintenance can be a hassle. Leasing a car when needed, rather than owning one, can be more practical. Environmental concerns. Leasing allows consumers to drive the latest, most fuel-efficient models, which helps reduce their carbon footprint. Technological advancements. Technology has made leasing easier and more appealing. With online platforms, consumers can now easily compare different leasing options, calculate costs, and even complete the leasing process from their homes. These advancements have streamlined the leasing experience, making it more convenient than ever. Online leasing platforms. Websites and apps simplify the leasing process, offering a wide array of choices and transparent pricing. Digital documentation. Electronic contracts and digital signatures save time and reduce paperwork. Mobile integration. Apps allow users to manage their leases, schedule maintenance, and even get roadside assistance directly from their smartphones. In summary, the rise in car leasing can be attributed to economic factors, changing consumer preferences, and technological advancements. By understanding these elements, we can see why leasing has become an attractive option for many consumers today. This section is part of a larger video that explores the rise of car leasing. Stay tuned for more insights into this growing trend. Benefits of car leasing. Car leasing has become a popular option for many people. It offers several compelling benefits that make it an attractive alternative to purchasing a vehicle. Let's explore some key advantages of leasing a car. Lower monthly payments. One of the biggest attractions of car leasing is lower monthly payments. When you lease a vehicle, you're essentially paying for the car's depreciation during the lease term, not the full purchase price. This results in significantly reduced monthly payments compared to buying a car with a loan. For instance, let's say you want a car that costs $30,000. If you buy it, you'll finance the entire amount, leading to higher monthly payments. But if you lease the same vehicle, you might only pay for $10,000 worth of depreciation over 3 years, thus cutting your monthly costs. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore more about car leasing and what it could mean for your future on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.